Hey there, and welcome everybody. We're so glad you're here. You know what? Just showing up and clicking play on this first lesson is already a win. It means you're not settling for feeling tired every single day. It means you're done with the endless cycle of being tired, wired, and never quite feeling like yourself. And honestly, that takes guts. So, before we dive in, let's just acknowledge something. You're here because you want more. More energy, more focus, more control over how you feel. And you deserve that. Now, quick question. How do you actually feel right now? Like really? Not the I'm fine you tell people at work. The truth. Oh, maybe you woke up tired this morning, even though you technically got 7 or 8 hours of sleep. Maybe you're already thinking about that third or fourth coffee just to make it through the afternoon. Or maybe your brain feels like it's swimming through fog, and you can't remember the last time you felt truly clear. Here's the thing. You're not broken. Your body isn't failing you. It's actually doing exactly what it's designed to do, responding to the signals you're giving it. The problem? Most of us are accidentally sending the wrong signals all day long, and that's exactly what we're here to fix, together. Let's get real for a second about what's actually happening. You wake up, phone buzzes, emails, notifications, Instagram, news. Your brain gets flooded with stimulation before you even get out of bed. You skip breakfast or grab something quick. You mainline coffee. You sit for hours. You eat lunch at your desk while scrolling. You hit that 2 p.m. wall. You power through with more caffeine. You collapse on the couch at night. You scroll until your eyes hurt. You struggle to fall asleep. Repeat. Sound familiar? Yeah. Us too. Here's what's actually happening under the hood. Your dopamine system, your brain's motivation molecule, is getting hijacked by cheap hits, social media, snacks, endless notifications. This raises your baseline, making everything else feel boring and unrewarding. That's why work feels impossible and focus disappears. Your circadian rhythm is completely confused. You're getting bright screens at night and staying inside all morning. Your body has no idea when it's supposed to be awake or asleep. Your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight mode because you never give it permission to calm down. You're always on. Your metabolism is constantly in digestion mode, processing food all day long, never getting time to rest and repair itself. The result? You feel like you're running on fumes, because you literally are. But here's the good news, and I mean this. These are biology problems, and biology problems have biology solutions. Your body isn't broken, it's just responding to mixed signals. And once we clean up those signals, everything changes. So let's talk about what you're actually going to learn in this course. And no, this isn't going to be some overwhelming list of 47 things you need to do perfectly starting tomorrow. We're not doing that to you. We're focusing on what actually moves the needle. The 20% of actions that give you 80% of the results. Everything else, just noise. First things first, we're going to teach you the 80-20 rule. This is your filter for cutting through all the biohacking BS out there. You'll learn to identify the high-impact strategies that deliver maximum results and ignore everything else. No more chasing trends, no more decision fatigue, just clarity. Next, we're fixing your sleep, because honestly, nothing else matters if this is broken. You'll learn how to optimize your circadian rhythm using light exposure timing, morning sunlight and dim evening lights. That's it. Sounds almost too simple, right? It is simple, and it transforms everything. Your energy, your mood, your ability to fall asleep at night and wake up actually refreshed. Then, protecting your focus and motivation. You'll discover exactly how your dopamine baseline works and the specific morning habits that keep it functioning properly. We'll show you what to avoid in that first hour after waking up and what to do instead. This is what stops the scattered attention and helps you get real work done without fighting yourself all day. Energy optimization. We'll introduce you to intermittent fasting basics. And no, this isn't some extreme diet. It's just strategic eating windows, when to eat and when to give your body a break. This boosts mental clarity, improves metabolic flexibility, and gives your system time to actually repair itself instead of constantly digesting food. Stress management that works. You'll learn breathwork techniques you can use anywhere, anytime. Feeling stressed or anxious? Long exhales activate your calm down system. Need alertness before a meeting or workout? Short, powerful breaths wake you up fast. It's like having a remote control for your nervous system. And it's free. Brain performance hacks. We'll show you how short movement bursts, just 5 minutes, trigger something called neuroplasticity. That's your brain's ability to grow, adapt, and get sharper. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need an hour. Just short bursts throughout your day that make your brain perform better. The gut-brain connection. You'll understand why your gut health directly impacts your mood, focus, and immunity. We'll break down which foods to prioritize for optimal brain function, fiber-rich foods, fermented probiotics, and healthy fats. It's simpler than you think, and the impact is huge. Building habits that actually stick. We'll teach you habit stacking and something called the 2-minute rule. This is the framework that makes change feel effortless. No more relying on willpower because, let's be honest, willpower is unreliable. You'll learn how to attach new habits to existing routines so they become automatic. Self-experimentation made simple. You'll learn how to track just 3 things: energy levels, mood, and sleep quality, and discover what works for your unique body. No expensive wearables, no obsessive data logging, just simple awareness and your body's feedback. This is how you figure out what actually works for you, not some influencer on Instagram. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to create a customized morning routine and the biohacking strategies to prioritize based on your goals and lifestyle, not someone else's, yours. The best part? You don't need hours of extra time. You don't need a big budget. You don't need extreme protocols or fancy gadgets. We're not adding more to your plate. We're removing what's draining you and adding back what actually fuels you. Think of this as learning your body's user manual, the one you never got but desperately needed. So, are you ready? Let's get started.